car is actually on the dyno. Brandon went and picked up our fuel from Spectre Bill, sideways shot. Now we're getting the old C16 out of the tank because we're running E85 and we need to get it out of there. So we're gonna disconnect the fuel lines and just run that fuel out into a bucket. Then we'll throw some ethanol and then do it again, put the system back together and see what happens. I didn't know if it would run or how I'd be able to get it on the trailer. We got it all out prior to him being able to do his beep boop beep boop boop.
Beep 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 boop bop.
Found out we had number 6 not firing.